When developing a new cloud app, businesses likely have two things in mind: how to develop an app that users will love and how to get it to market quickly. Is the very next thought about security? It should be. Security features and capabilities are a critical component of any new application and a big part of what makes the user experience positive and apps successful. Software developers are great at making ideas come to life, and businesses are responsible to their users to ensure that applications are secure from the start. It would take a dedicated team to start to protect and secure an application, not to mention building the skill sets required. Security is multifaceted and is involved in everything from login pages, data lifecycle, encryption, and monitoring web traffic to prevent attacks. One core area of security is to protect against attacks from bots. A bot is often a compromised device and is typically under direct control of a group of criminals or malicious actors. When bots reach a critical mass, they are called botnets, kind of like the swarm bots in the Matrix. One is bad. Together they cause havoc. Some of the largest botnets consist of over 1 million victims and can generate volumes of traffic upwards of 1 terabyte per second in a distributed denial of service attack. Besides DDoS attacks, botnets can drain resources, disrupt user or customer experiences, and generally increase the cost of operational resources that help support your apps. Pangea and Team Cymru have come together to help solve these problems. Pangea developed the first SPaaS platform, Security Platform as a Service. Our platform provides security services to developers, turning the complex world of security into a simple set of APIs. This makes security accessible to companies of all sizes, large and small. This is made possible through key industry partnerships. Our partnerships with Team Cymru is one such relationship that makes world-class threat intelligence previously only available to the world's largest enterprises available to you. With Pangea and Team Cymru, we've simplified cybersecurity and made it usable by developers everywhere. Via our simple API, we deliver access to the world's largest data set of threat intelligence, trusted by some of the world's best-known brands for nearly 20 years.
Pangea's goal is to deliver the world's best security services to developers. While we deliver a number of in-house services, partners like Team Cymru maintain essential data sets that no one else can replicate. By partnering with Team Cymru, we're able to bring a bot detection dataset to developers, which can be used in products to detect credential stuffing, denial of service attacks, or even simple viewer click botting. This allows us to empower developers to bring real value to their applications in ways that weren't possible without coordination with the SOC. Team Cymru Intelligence is now available through Pangea's IP Intel service. By enabling IP Intel in Pangea's user console, and selecting Cymru as a provider, a developer can query the Pangea API to evaluate an IP and determine if it's a bot, among other critical data points.
Team Cymru tracks over 150 of the world's most impactful botnet families, creating up to 50 million daily events and gaining insights on over 450,000 unique victim IP addresses. But what you really care about is that volume helps give you the most up-to-date and accurate information you need to help protect your site and apps from botnets. Using the Pangea IP Intel API with Team Cymru tells you if an IP is one of 10 types of malicious actors, including a botnet victim, a botnet controller, is brute forcing passwords, or is the origin of phishing or spam campaigns. The API returns a risk score from 0, meaning not a threat, to 100, meaning a definite threat. This means you can calibrate actions based on your level of risk tolerance, enabling the developer to instantly reject risky IPs and greatly improve service.
The partnership between Pangea and Team Cymru is just getting started. Pangea is making cybersecurity easier for all and leveraging Team Cymru's years of expertise and unparalleled data set is just the beginning of unlocking this potential. Stay tuned to see what Pangea and Team Cymru do next. Visit teamcymru.com to learn more about the IP reputation data feed. Stop botnets from stopping you. And lastly, to learn more about Pangea and how you can create a free account to use Pangea's services, including IP Intel with Team Cymru, visit pangea.cloud.